American Carol, David Zucker taking a break from film parodies to make an anti-liberal political satire, which I'm a conservative, so I was laughing my head off, but I saw this movie for two reasons. One, I really like David Zucker as a director. He's a genius in the comedic field. Even like his Krabby movies, like My Boss's Daughter, I'm like the only person that laughed at that. I remember enjoying it a lot, so I really like his films. And number two, like I said, I'm a conservative, and what these guys have done in this film, they have made a anti-liberal film in a liberal industry, and I respect them a lot for that, so I felt the need to support their film. And it is pretty funny. I think the usual humor in these kind of movies is over the top, it's stupid, slapstick, crude. There really isn't much of that kind of humor here, but when they do use that kind of humor, it's actually really funny. But they didn't really use all that much of it, which is kind of a good thing because it stops it from getting carried away and getting stupid. But I think that they kind of had some missed opportunities in humor because when they did use that kind of humor, it was really funny. It's not, like I said, they don't have consistent humor. The jokes kind of do take a break because it is telling a good story here. It is clever in the way of being an anti-liberal take on A Christmas Carol. You know, we got George Washington and Sergeant Patton and JFK and all these historical characters coming back. The supposed to be the director Michael Moore, you know, the filmmaker that just likes to start controversies. Now it's Michael Malone, the actor is Chris Farley's brother. He did actually a good job. I know acting really doesn't matter in these kind of movies, but he was a funny, likable character. And then it is a good story, like I said. I think it kind of cleverly tells the story of A Christmas Carol. It could have been better, you know, of course. It really isn't all, it's not great, but it is better than you expect. I saw the trailer. The trailer doesn't look funny at all. It has some really funny moments in this movie. I'm not going to call it hilarious, though, but I think there's more here than humor. Like I said, it does tell a good story, and it's just a good political satire, especially in a time where all we hear about is politics, you know. Barack Obama and all that isn't mentioned in this movie. It was probably made a long time ago, because it definitely would have if it was made recently. But I did like it. I'm going to give it a 6.5 out of 10. I think it's worth checking out. Unless you are a very strong liberal, you will probably find the need to murder someone, because it is an hour and a half of you getting made fun of. So, pretty good movie. Like I said, I was mainly just laughing at it because I'm conservative, and I agree with mainly everything they're saying. Feel free to hate me because of my political views, but Obama sucks. Sorry.